For our first math lesson today, boys and girls, we're going to take out our Saxon Phonics booklet, okay? And our next page that we're going to work on, you'll see at the top, is page, I think it's lesson 26A, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's lesson 26A. It says guided class practice. It's page 65 at the bottom, and you'll see the number 24 at the top. So let's go ahead and write that. Okay, so you're going to use your pencil and curve around and say 24, 24, and then at the dot, go ahead and start. Say 24, okay? All right. So if you finish writing 24, continue on, or if you want to pause the video and then come back and check your work, if you want to try to do this independently, that's fine too. Just make sure you come back and check your work, okay? So number 2 is a word problem. It says Debbie had 7 cats. Scott gave her another cat for her birthday. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the number of cats that Debbie has now. So we can use circles to represent the cats. So it first shows that Debbie had 7 cats. So we need to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so Scott gave her another cat. That means getting one more is an addition problem, so we need to put a plus sign. And he gave her 1, so just put 1 circle. So now we need to write a number sentence. So a number sentence is how we write out addition problems numerically rather than just using pictures. Okay, so then we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to represent those circles there. Then we write a plus sign, and then there's 1 circle on that side. So we have 7 plus 1. So we're solving for how many cats Debbie has now. So 7 plus 1, do we have to guess? No, we can just go back and count. So she has, I'm going to put a little mark to show that I've counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm counting those circles. So she has 8 cats now. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. All right. Let's go down to number 3. It says write a number sentence for the first 2 apples. Okay. So we can see on this side, so it's just this line right here is like the plus sign in the middle. Okay, so we write what's on this side, and right there we have 1 seed on that side, and then we count over here 1, 2, 3, 4, and we write the 4 on the other side. So we're solving for 1 plus 4, and that's the equal sign there. So we go ahead back up to the apple, and then we count everything on the apple now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and write our 5 in the box. So that means we've proven mathematically that 1 plus 4 equals 5. Okay, same thing over here. Let's start with the next apple. On this side of the apple, there are 1, 2 seeds, so we write the 2 down here. Okay. Now on this side of the apple, which is also on the other side of the plus sign, we have 1, 2, 3 seeds. So we're going to write our 3 right here. Now we have to solve for 2 plus 3. And there's our equal sign. So 2 plus 3 is the same as what number? So we go back up here and we solve for it by counting the seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together, there are 5 seeds on that apple on both halves of that apple. So over here, we're going to do one more problem. So we started with a 1. Then we went to a 2. So then we're going to put 3 seeds right here on this side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 seeds on this side. So 3 plus something equals 5. So the way you're going to solve this is if you have 3 on this half, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 5 apples altogether. So how many seeds did I need to put on this half to make 5 apples 5 seeds all together on that apple, it was 2. So I'm going to write my 2. So that means that 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay? All right. Now let's go down here to number 4. So on the train right here, this is called a number train. It says right here to color 3. Okay, so you can use any color you want. I found my magenta crayon right here. So I'm going to simply color and count, and you can do the same. 1, 2, 3. So how many do I have left over that are white? 1, 2. So that's when I get my pencil, and I'm going to write the number 2 right here, okay? And you can do the same. Then I'm going to move down to the next number train, and I can choose a different color. I'm going to pull out, I found a purple crayon, or yeah, that's my purple crayon. There's a number 1, so I'm just going to color 1 in this number train. Okay. And how many are left after I color 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is another way of solving. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks in that train. So it's also a way of showing that 3 plus 2 equals 5. And since there's 5 blocks in this train, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is another way of showing that 1 plus 4 equals 5 right there too. Okay? All right, so we're all done with this lesson. Go ahead and give yourself an exit ticket. Make sure you check your work. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed doing this math worksheet today.